Okay, here we have the Vooii iPhone 15 Pro Max case. It's a silicone case and it's very sturdy. This thing is drop proof up to 8 feet. It has military grade drop protection, as you can see. It's got some really thick lining. It's 4 layers on this actually. It's got the soft microfiber lining on the inside so it's not going to scratch your phone up, which is nice to have. Next to that, it's going to have the Shockproof hard PC, so it's real rigid, very sturdy feel to it, doesn't bend hardly, so it's going to protect the phone. It's going to fit nicely around the 15 Pro Max. It's got pacifier grade silicone in between that on the next layer, so obviously that helps with shock absorption as well. It's got an anti-static outer coating on this as well, so it won't show fingerprints, things like that, wipes right up. I like these style of cases. I have one similar to this on my 13 Pro Max. When I get the 15, I'm going to look to get this as well. It has the full camera protection on the upper part here, so your camera is going to be protected with that silicone as well. Give you a nice little pack of stickers if you may want those. Kind of cool. If you have any kids, maybe pass those along. And it comes in 28 different colors as well. I had them send the black version because when I upgrade, I like the black. I'm sure they all look nice, bright colors. I was looking at them online and they look pretty cool. Nice variety. These seem to be a really nice case. They're made well. Like I said, they're real rigid and drop proof up to 8 feet, which is good to know because I am very clumsy with my phone. Little buttons on the side here for your volume and your silent up top above this side and power. Great little case. If you're looking for a nice case, if you upgraded to the 15 Pro Max, this one is good and will offer great protection around the edges, camera as well. It's well made. Enjoy.